welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing for you guys from a new to me shop, as well as a fairly new shop in general, and that is Mirthful Diamond Paintings. They are based out of Germany, but their website is super easy. It is in English and they have so many to choose from. I have decided that I wanted to do something different this year, and so I chose a diamond painting that normally I wouldn't have ever considered, but I am really enjoying it. Stay around until the end after the unboxing because you will be able to see the drills on the canvas. I did a really good size section and I am really pleased with this canvas and with the drills. I'm also going to show you at the end how well that the drills line up in the tray that comes with the canvas. And I also mentioned at the beginning of the video that the toolkit was upgraded, and I spoke to Netta, who is the owner of Mirthful Diamond Paintings, and she said that that is their typical toolkit. So that's a toolkit that you will receive in your package. I had asked for an upgraded, but I didn't realize that an upgraded is going to be a regular, as of right now, their regular toolkit. So I was really impressed with that too. So here's what the box looks like. It is a box that is similar to another company's. I'm not going to name that company. Right now, this does not say Mirthful Diamond Paints on it just because they're a new company. I know that's really expensive to have your own trademarked, but it does say it on here. It's kind of stamped on there, and then also it has what the diamond painting is. I really do like this one. I'm excited to continue working on it. I think that it's going to be really nice added to my collection. I am going to add this as one of my whips, and I'm not breaking my whip detox because I already knew this was coming in. I knew it was a new painting and I had already included that in my numbers. So I am still safe on my whip detox. I have not done anything else, haven't added anything new. I wanted to, but I didn't. I'm trying to get some of these down. So I'm going to turn you around and let's get started. Okay, I've taken everything out of the box that I just showed you was completely torn up, but I'm going to start working on this one anyway. And I know my whip detox, but this is one of the ones that I had planned on adding to my whips because I knew that this one was going to come in, and I need to work on this one because there are so many others that have come out. And also she now has Josephine Wall is licensed, and I really wanted to check this one out before I get into a Josephine Wall with all that crazy confetti. And I want to make sure that this is what I like. Jenna from Queen of Diamonds loves this company, and so I really trust her and her opinion, and so that's why I ordered this one and looking forward to the Josephine Wall when it comes in. Now, I did ask for an upgraded toolkit, and on the upgraded toolkit, I got some tweezers here. These are very pokey. I cannot find the cover. I am sure there was a cover, but as I said, my box was just crazy, and I know that it was because of when they brought it into the US, they were looking at it. I'm sure that's what happened. Here's some diamond painting putty. I'm really interested in using this, and this was even open. So I'm going to open this up. I don't smell anything on this putty. Here's what it looks like. It's like a big stick of bubble gum. But I guess it doesn't have a smell. But it looks like it's going to be hard putty, which I like better. The real soft putty I have a hard time with because it just tends to melt on me. Now we have fancy. We have a diamond painting pen that has, I would say, a 2-placer on this end and single on here. It looks glittery. I don't know if blue is her color or if she just put blue in here. Blue is one of my favorite colors, and I think I've mentioned that before. So I don't know if this is all the same or if it's different on her toolkits. We have a really nice, This is really nice. We have a really nice tray that says Mirthful Diamond Art. Okay, so we have 2 trays here, or we could use it as a top we wanted to, like this. That's our tray. It's blue, matches the pen. And then, I don't know what's in here. I'm not sure what is in this little bag. It was open. What is this? Oh, how pretty! This could be a cover minder because it does have your magnets on the back, and it's my name. And it's a gorgeous color. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. I'm assuming that on this canvas that there's everything in here. I have seen one of Mirthful Diamond Paintings or Mirthful Diamond Art. I have seen some of their work through Jenna's channel, but I did not watch an unboxing, so I don't know if you get stickers with this. What's in here? Oh my goodness, there's more in here. Okay, so I'm going to move. I've got the canvas on the floor for now. I don't even know if I even said what size this is, guys. This is called Gilded Serenity by Bot Brush Studio. I'm so excited to open this. I don't think I even told you about the canvas. It is a 70 by 70. I don't know why 70 by 70s look so large to me whenever I'm looking at them. It doesn't seem like it's that big when you just think 70 by 70, but I don't know. I am going to open the drills on this one because I want to see it. Let's look and see what's in this bag. Oh, I see candy. Okay, let's see. I think we have some washi too. We have some candy. We have a tangerine peel powder. Oh, it smells good too. Okay, then we have some washi. And the washi says, oh, I love the washi. The washi says Mirthful Diamond Paintings. That's a nice thick roll of washi, which I can always use. Now, let's look at our stickers. Here is our inventory sheet. Not all companies do inventory sheets. I do like them because it gives me just extra sheet that if I need to look at it, I can. It tells us how to diamond paint, which I don't need that, but some of you might. This has 56 colors, and it's a square. I don't think I even told you that. Oh my gosh, I am all over the place. This is a square. Look how beautiful that she is. I saw this one and absolutely fell in love. Again, this is way out of my comfort zone. It's another one that I am trying that's totally different than what I am used to. It is mostly grays and blacks, I would assume, but I just saw this and just loved it. So it's something different. I am really excited to start on this. And here are our stickers. These are also individual. Let me make sure I'm telling you the truth. Yes, they're all individual stickers. They're small, which I like, so I have small containers. And then I will definitely use this photo here to put in my logbook. I'm trying to see if there are any. They're not in order by symbol, which is fine. A lot of companies do not do that. There are some alphas in here. I don't see any numbers unless I'm just overlooking them. I see alpha, but not numbers. I do see some. This is what's really interesting on this. I love Diamond Paint Deutschland. They are also out of Germany. I recognize some of these symbols from Diamond Paint Deutschland. When I do my Josephine Wall from there, there is what I call Pac-Man there. There is a person. There's a half moon, or sometimes I call that a smiley face with no face. We have a foot there. All of those are Diamond Paint Deutschland. So that's just really funny. I don't know if it's the same company. Of course, I have no idea, and it doesn't really matter. But I just find that really interesting. We have the rain. You don't see those very often, which is why I was bringing that up. We have the airplane and the umbrella. Let's first look. Before we look at the canvas, I gotta look at these drills. Actually, let me just see. Before I make a total mess out of these drills, which I am very well known for, I want to take a glance and see they are in order. Awesome. They're in order by the schematic number. So this is the end. So we have 56 here, and that's going to be, oh, we even have special drills. We have, let's see, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 special drills. It looks like she has, that may be a metal. I'm not sure what K is. K might be a metal. That's how some of the other companies set theirs up. And then we have 1, 2, 3 ABs. We have another K. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are like fairy dust. So that is crazy. So we have on here, that's what that looks like. I want to look at the bag and oh, look at the static. Oh dear me. But yeah, when they start sticking like this, that's when you know you have static. And I have tips. If you would like some tips and tricks on static, I do have a video for that. So you can check that out. Now this one is really pretty. I've used this color before, kind of this dark gray. And then that's a navy there. I'm going to see if I can find these on this canvas. It may be difficult to find these on this canvas because the canvas is so dark. I do want to pull this canvas out and show you guys. Also, I am going to finish a small section on this so that way I can show you what it looks like. And I'm going to continue working on this one so that I can give you updates throughout each month. So we have on both sides, we do have a schematic that's on the left side, and then we have one at the top. The left one's at the bottom, the right one's at the top, just in case you like to move your canvases around. There is going to be a glare on this, and I do apologize. We are having a terrible storm. This one is going to be hard for me to tell you where all the specials are because it's so monotone. And it's monotone because that's what I wanted. When I saw this, I thought, I've never done anything like this. This kind of reminds me of an Anna Dittman that I wanted from years ago. But this looks really good. Look at her face. That is just so pretty in her hair. I am going to work on this a little bit, and then I'm going to come back with an update for you guys. For me, it's going to be a few days. For you, it's going to be a few seconds. And then I'm going to let you know about the drill field and what I think. I would love to be able to get maybe a bottom section done just to show you guys. And that way you can decide what you want to do. Okay, you guys, I am back. I am so excited to share this with you. I didn't want to stop working on this, but I knew I had to so that I could show you my progress and what I think about this section. Also, I ended up including my drills in this flat, and I had finished one of my canvases that was originally in here. So those were in these bottles, and so now this one's in a flat by itself. So if I decided to get anything else up, I can add it onto here. And I'm really missing having a lot of whips. So I'm glad that I do have this one. I'm going to move this out of the way. I want to show you guys this. I'm also going to bring this up. I don't have any extra lighting on except for the overhead. That is what this looks like. Look at this. There's no gapping at all. None. They fit perfect next to each other. This is about a section and a half for me. Now, this may look like a lot of color blocking. It's not. It is confetti heavy, and I absolutely loved it. It reminded me of a Josephine Wall canvas, and there's around 18 to 20 colors in this. If you can see right through here, those are some of the mica drills here. I'm not sure what they call them. Fairy dust. I know it's not fairy dust, but it's mica drills. It's all through here, and those are silver. But look at that shine. Just look at that. Now, it took me a little while to get this done, but I had so much fun. And I was worried whenever I got this because with the sections here, or the background, if you see how the background is so white here, I was a little concerned and I thought, what in the world are you possibly thinking? But I don't know why. This just called me. I wanted to do it. I wanted something that was like a monochromatic type of diamond painting, and this just spoke to me. Now, so far on this section, I have not been bored because there are so many different colors here. And I was looking down over here, and there's going to be different colors that's going to go up through here. So I think I'm going to work on just down for a little bit. And then whenever I do this part and go all the way down here, then I will go ahead and probably do the right hand side and then start working on her and all the black that's going to be around her. That's all of her hair. Now that might be some color blocking, so I really get tired of doing confetti. This is going to be some color blocking. I can see through here now, just right through here. And I'm assuming that's a nose ring. I'm really not sure, but we'll find out. We will find out once this is done, but I think that this is going to turn out absolutely fabulous. I would really like to do a couple more sections of this before I go on to something else, but we'll see. But I just cannot wait to get to her face. I'm going to leave a lot of that part until the end, I think, but I may just jump around. I might do a little bit over here on the background and then go onto her face and just move around, so I'm not going to get bored with the same color palette. But I think this is going to be absolutely stunning. And I really do like so far what I am seeing. I definitely would not be telling you guys this if I did not like it, but I just can't get over that. You can't really tell, it's not really much right now, but I did a pretty good section, and I love how pretty this is. I love all the pinks, and there's some purple in there and some really light green. So it's not just all monochromatic, but it's going to all blend in together. And I think that she's going to be a stunner. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. And if you would like to see me continue working on this, I'm going to include this in my whip parade. So you'll be able to see at the end of the month. We'll see how much I can get done this week. I am going to focus on 3 diamond paintings every week, and then I'll rotate. So I think I'm going to keep this one in my rotation for a little while, because I want to be able to see what it's going to look like once I get some of the black, some of the darker colors, not just black, but some of the darker colors in here and some of the grays, and see what that's going to look like with this. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.